In this Wilcom API concept, we demonstrate the new team name design capabilities. A team name is generally a person's name that can be shown independently or beneath an existing logo. In this example, we'll upload an existing logo. We can now specify the team name properties. First, define the gap that the team name will appear below the logo, in my case 5 mm, the alignment of the team name, the baseline, the font to be used, the color, the height of the team name lettering, and then you can specify the team names. Using the settings specified, the API will return a single design combination including the logo and the lettering. These designs can be output as a stitch file or a wilcom.emb file.